Alright, hey everybody, Dave here. I just got the $10,000 harp guitar I'm building for myself here. Tone and I have been working on this for a while. I've been keeping up with it with the back bevel on there, pretty cool. So I have the spraying, I think, almost done. Lord willing that the nothing rubbed through, and I have it at 1,000 grit right now. And it's ready to buff. Sorry I didn't show you the sanding on that, but here is the piece of 1,000 grit Abernet. Was the last grit I used. Here's what it looks like after it's sanded. You can really see that I got all those 600 grit marks out, and it's just really nice and smooth now. It's ready to get buffed. I mean, you can't really see any orbital marks in that. I'm looking at a pretty darn clean wood surface. You could kind of go around it all and look real close at it if you want. Get some light in there maybe. Let's see if we can get some of that light on there without breaking anything. But anyways, it's looking really good. I think we're ready to buff it out, and yeah, pretty stoked on this one.
Well, that girl had nerve when she looked at me. She had a fire in her eyes. She was the worst kind of mystery. Red lipstick on her drink, a flick of her wrist and a wink. The moment of truth, what you gonna do? Will you lose your cool or be strong? You gotta walk on, that ain't where your boots belong. What taste, you're gonna want the whole dang thing. It ain't free, your price will be misery. You wonder where it all went wrong. You wonder where your life has gone. Yeah, if you don't walk on. It's getting late as I make my way down an empty street. And every back door's open, you can go in for another drink. The band plays on inside. We'll sit down and stay all night. It'd be easy as sin to slide on in, but it sure is hard at the back of the bar. There you are, no way to get home. You gotta walk on, that ain't where your boots belong. One taste, you're gonna want the whole dang thing. It ain't free, your price will be misery. You wonder where it all went wrong. You wonder where your life has gone. Yeah, if you don't walk home. Yeah, walk on. You gotta walk on. We're dark and dead end, a long and winding roads. Ain't no way to find your way back home. That's right, you gotta walk on. That ain't where your boots belong. One taste, you're gonna want the whole dang thing. It ain't free, the price will be misery. You wonder where it all went wrong. You wonder where your life has gone if you don't walk on.
Alright, and now that this is all up to glossy top, pretty much from here on out, you only ever want to use this microfiber cloth on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure there's no glue on here. first of all, which feels pretty good. I'm just gonna wipe off some of that excess buffing compound. A couple around the tuner peg holes here. Get this guy cleaned up a little bit. And she's looking really pretty now. Wow. Yeah, this thing is just glorious. Just glorious in all its buffed out glory. But yeah, I'm really excited how this one's turning out. Can't wait to string it up. We'll be putting the bridge on here pretty soon.
One taste, you're gonna want the whole dang thing. It ain't free. Your price will be misery. You wonder where it all went wrong. You wonder where your life has gone. Yeah, you don't walk home. Yeah, walk on. You gotta walk on. We're dark and dead end, a long and winding roads. Ain't no way to find your way back home. That's right, you gotta walk on. That ain't where your boots belong. One taste, you're gonna want the whole dang thing. It ain't free. The price will be misery. You wonder where it all went wrong. You wonder where your life has gone if you don't walk on. So walk on. Yeah, walk on. Walk on.
What are we doing here, Dave?
Well, I'm just getting her prepped. Bridge is all glued on and stuff. I took the clamps off, and now I'm kind of reaming out the bridge pin holes from any glue in there and stuff. And
See, we've got a template up here on the harp peg head.
that's going to be the new threaded bridge pin positioning markers. They're actually height adjustable individual nuts for the harp strings, and that's going to allow me to set the height for the sharpening levers and reposition the strings accordingly. So I need to drill some holes there and finish kind of prepping this bridge.
Bridge is looking good.
Yeah, bridge looks really nice. Slag down inside of this
Saddle slot.
these bridge pin holes. I didn't quite I didn't finish reaming them.
Oh, you got some nice bridge pins there.
Yep, found the good bridge pins. Nice little, little abalone dots on there.
Nice.
All right, I got the radius drawn on both of the saddles, and you can kind of see how I take a little more off the outside on the subs and then the treble on the guitar, because of course the action's a little lower on those strings, and I kind of want the radius to be sort of a overview, I guess what would you call it, a continual radius from the lowest string all the way up to the highest string here. So they're drawn on. Let's cut them.
Everybody's got something to say to me. Wanna tell me, sell me something that'll set me free. They wanna show me how to live my life, or a new way to make love at night. They wanna tell me what's wrong from right. Well, I got a way to turn it off. I got a way to lose it all. I get lost. I get lost in a let my soul just sing along. I get lost. No one's gonna find me when I get lost. The telephone's ringing and the TV's turned up loud, and there's too much happening here. I gotta get out. The world outside is just the same, spinning faster every day. I'm just looking for a slower lane. Yeah, I'll get away and turn it off. I'll find a way to lose it all. I get lost. I get lost in the night when my eyes get filled with stars. I get lost. No one's gonna find me when I get lost.
Alright, hey guys, I got the sharpened levers all installed. There they are. Working pretty good. I think there's one of them that still a little bit needs adjusted. There's definitely some tweakiness. I think this B kind of grinds a little bit as if I hit it too hard. But I mean, for the most part, that's actually passable. But there's my E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. So yeah, they're all firing on all cylinders. It's in tune. Take that back down to a D, C sharp, and E. So this is kind of my D major tuning. To play this, and then the beauty is I can switch it to there, C sharp. I'm in E major, just like that. They're all nice and in tune. They sound nice. Super stoked on this, guys. The S12LC Deluxe Cutaway Harp Guitar. Yeah, I'm really excited. That Sitka Spruce we got from Arvid, some of that really nice, high quality, aged Sitka. Really makes nice flat top guitars. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the build. And please follow our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out. And yeah, thanks again for tuning in. Dave signing out.